Welcome, welcome to you, to me, to us in this very moment. I'd like to take a few seconds of silence to allow you and I to connect with what's our intention right here, right now. Or you by clicking on the button to check this video and watching now and me starting it and being here now. I have written already some kind of an intention, and that could be maybe an inspiration for canalizing yours and my intention, our intentions, but it shouldn't be, I hope, it could be just possible inspiration that I have to follow. So yeah, what I wrote is restoring our connection with our inner being and appreciating the fullness of the world as it is. That's my intention with making this video, is to participate through this action that I'm taking, through opening up this window between you and I, your humanity, your divinity, and my humanity and divinity. It's my intention to allow in that space strengthening or restoring of our connection with who we have become, who we are right here, right now. And what I want to say is that this action part, doing this video, is one way to enjoy what has been created through our own thought, our own thinking. And so I'm savoring the creation of this space to dream and create even more things that are desired. Create a space to create and allow more clarity around what's desired. And letting it all unfold one step at a time. We are where we are. We feel what we feel. Hello. May we remember who we are, what we've become, who we've become. I'm curious about what is it we really want to do, what we have the energy for doing right here, right now. May we be free from the temptation sometimes to do what we think we have to do, we should do, and really give us space to be connected to ourselves, our emotions, our impulses, our values, the things that are really important and essential to us, the things we really want to see working in our lives. May we make space for nothingness, for doing nothing but listening to ourselves. May we give ourselves permission to do nothing when what we feel like doing is nothing. May we feel free to follow our impulses, to do whatever we feel like doing in order to enrich life, to enrich our experiences, to enrich our relationships. We are where we are. May we appreciate as much as we can, and more, being exactly where we are, and make room for even more of what we would like to appreciate. I'd like to finish up this video by exploring the sentence that says, one thing you and I have energy for right here, right now is, one thing you have energy for right now is, one thing I have energy for right now is, just confusing it as a mantra for yourself and me for myself. One thing I have energy for right here, right now is, one thing I have energy for right here, right now is appreciating the breeze between my fingers and my palm. One thing I have energy for right here, right now is one thing I have energy for right here, right now